If you think your truck is tough, think again. These 20+ truck accessories are about to take it to the next level. These aren't gimmicks or show-only accessories. Every item on this list delivers real durability, smart functionality, and work-ready performance. Whether you use your truck for hauling, towing, off-roading, or daily driving, these upgrades are designed to make it tougher, smarter, and more capable. Every gadget you see is waiting for you in the description. Hit those links to grab the best deals and start upgrading your truck today. Let's drop the hammer and dive in. Opening the lineup with this Powerbuilt tire truck step, ideal for anyone who needs extra reach. It hooks securely over tires, providing instant height to access your roof, windshield, or cargo rack. Heavy-duty steel ensures stability and strength, handling weight without wobbling. Perfect for washing, loading gear, or working under the hood. This step delivers safe footing and effortless boost every time. Practical, reliable, and functional, it transforms difficult tasks into simple, stress-free steps, making your truck more versatile and user-friendly. Right after that, this Bedslide rolling truck bed cargo tray turns your truck bed into an organized, accessible workspace. The tray slides out smoothly, bringing tools, gear, or tailgating essentials right to you. Heavy-duty construction handles substantial loads, and the locking system keeps it secure. Convenient, clever, and efficient, this tray maximizes organization, prevents crawling into the bed, and keeps everything within reach. Perfect for work, play, or outdoor adventures, it's a smart, practical upgrade for every truck owner. Meanwhile, this truck bed extender instantly expands hauling capacity for long cargo, bikes, or other gear. Heavy-duty steel construction ensures stability, and foldable design makes storage easy when not in use. Quick installation and durable build allow it to handle tough loads reliably. Versatile, practical, and rugged, this extender transforms your truck bed into a cargo powerhouse. Check compatibility to ensure a perfect fit, and enjoy stress-free transportation of oversized or awkward items on every trip. Next on the deck are these running boards. They improve access and add rugged style to your truck. Slip-resistant surfaces provide secure footing, while heavy-duty construction ensures durability for daily use. Installation is simple, and their sleek finish elevates your truck's appearance. Functional, reliable, and stylish, these running boards enhance safety, convenience, and aesthetics. Whether for work or outdoor adventure, they make getting in and out of your truck easier and more confident, combining durability and visual appeal in one versatile upgrade. Now this one's clever. This wireless backup camera eliminates blind spots and makes reversing easier than ever. HD visuals and real-time transmission simplify parking, hitching, and maneuvering in tight spaces. Wireless setup keeps installation neat, while weatherproof construction ensures reliability in all conditions. Compact, effective, and stylish, it transforms tricky backing maneuvers into smooth, controlled actions. Safety, clarity, and convenience come together in this essential upgrade, giving you confidence and precision whenever you need it. Let's keep rolling with this Autorich S Tow Hook, designed for extreme strength and reliability. Heavy-duty steel handles high loads, providing secure towing or off-road recovery. Rugged construction and simple installation make it dependable for any adventure. Practical, strong, and versatile, this tow hook ensures your truck can handle challenging terrain or recovery situations with confidence. An essential upgrade for anyone who values safety and performance. It provides peace of mind while increasing your truck's utility and capability. Now coming up strong, this foldable tailgate ladder makes accessing your truck bed safer and easier. Its sturdy design supports heavy weight, while the foldable mechanism allows compact storage. Quick deployment provides secure footing for loading, cleaning, or organizing your bed without strain. Durable, functional, and convenient, this ladder enhances efficiency and accessibility. Whether for work, tailgating, or outdoor adventures, it turns tricky climbs into smooth, effortless, and safe access whenever needed. Here's another smart upgrade. This versatile roll bar lineup. Multiple configurations, including standard, tire carrier, basket, or cargo options, add protection and rugged style. Fixed steel construction ensures durability, while optional LED mounts or storage solutions increase functionality. Bold, practical, and adaptable, This roll bar strengthens your truck while enhancing utility and aesthetics. Perfect for adventure or work, it protects gear and improves overall capability. Durable, stylish, and functional, it's a must-have for truck owners seeking toughness and versatility. Now, taking things up a notch with this American flag emblem decal, it adds a subtle yet bold accent to your truck. Weather-resistant construction ensures it withstands sun, rain, and washes. Easy installation with secure adhesion makes it a quick style upgrade. Sleek black cutout design adds personality without overpowering your truck's look. Compact, durable, and visually striking, this decal enhances your truck's aesthetic while allowing a simple way to showcase pride. It's a practical, stylish mod that completes any exterior upgrade. And hey, before we continue, remember all the links are waiting in the description. Here's something you'll appreciate. This heavy-duty recovery tow strap kit. Reinforced high-tensile polyester and strong stitching provide unmatched durability in extreme conditions. Comes with shackles and a carry bag for organized storage. Essential for off-road recovery, emergency towing, or rough terrain. It delivers reliable strength when you need it most. Tough, practical, and versatile. This kit gives peace of mind while improving your truck's readiness for work or adventure. Durable, strong, and dependable, it's a must-have recovery tool. Next in the lineup, this X-Bull traction tire ladder provides traction for tires stuck in mud, sand, or snow. Lightweight yet strong, it's easy to store and deploy. Anti-slip surfaces ensure stability, while durable construction guarantees reliable performance. Quick setup adds confidence and safety, transforming challenging terrain into manageable conditions. Practical, compact, and clever, this ladder enhances your truck's off-road capability and keeps every journey smooth, safe, and stress-free, making it an essential addition for adventurous or utility-focused owners. Taking the spotlight now, this Endo-hitch trailer ball mount delivers reliable towing performance for trailers, campers, or boats. Heavy-duty construction with anti-rattle technology ensures smooth, stable hauling. Adjustable settings allow versatility for multiple towing needs. Durable, practical, and easy to use, this mount provides confidence on every trip. Strong, reliable, and functional, it enhances towing capability while keeping hauling safe and efficient, making hitching and transporting gear simpler and stress-free. Now talking about comfort, this truck bed air mattress transforms your truck into a comfortable sleep space, inflates quickly, and fits securely in the bed, providing support for 2 adults. Durable, puncture-resistant materials ensure long-lasting performance. Compact and portable, it's ideal for camping, tailgating, or road trips. Comfortable, practical, and versatile, this mattress enhances outdoor adventures by combining convenience and utility. Check compatibility to ensure the perfect fit, giving you an easy, cozy solution for overnight trips wherever you go. Moving ahead, this portable truck bed tent turns your truck bed into a weatherproof shelter in minutes. Lightweight but durable, it offers space for sleeping while keeping gear dry. Quick setup and foldable design make it convenient for outdoor adventures. Spacious, practical, and versatile, it allows camping anywhere with comfort and protection. Perfect for tailgates, road trips, or outdoor excursions, this tent adds flexibility and functionality to your truck while enhancing its adventure-ready capability. Shifting focus to this truck bed soft topper, it offers flexible protection for cargo. Easy installation and foldable design provide convenient access while shielding gear from sun, rain, or dust. Durable, weatherproof, and versatile, it adapts for work, trips, or outdoor activities. Functional, stylish, and practical, this topper improves truck bed usability while enhancing the overall look. Quick to install and reliable, it's a must-have for owners looking for flexibility, protection, and improved cargo management. Now let's talk about this bullet antenna. It replaces bulky factory antennas with a sleek, compact design. Solid aluminum and anti-corrosion coating ensure durability against weather, mud, and washes. Quick installation improves reception while adding subtle, aggressive styling. Low profile, bold, and reliable, this antenna enhances both aesthetics and functionality. Stylish, practical, and durable, it's a simple yet effective mod that upgrades your truck's exterior while ensuring reliable performance in everyday driving conditions. Rolling into view, this truck step-mounted brush makes cleaning your truck easier and safer. Sturdy bristles and a convenient mounting system allow efficient scrubbing without climbing into the bed or roof. Compact, durable, and easy to store, it's perfect for mud, dirt, or debris removal after off-road trips. Practical, clever, and effective, this brush adds convenience while keeping your truck looking sharp. Quick access and strong construction make it a must-have for maintaining a clean, professional appearance. Now moving ahead, this all-top powerful air compressor kit delivers rapid inflation anywhere. Compact yet high-performing, it works for tires, inflatables, or sports equipment. Durable construction ensures long-term reliability, while precise pressure control provides safe, accurate inflation. Portable and versatile, it's essential for off-road trips, camping, or roadside emergencies. Practical, dependable, and efficient, this compressor keeps your truck and gear ready for anything. Quick, convenient, and strong, it provides a reliable solution for inflation needs on the go. And taking the spotlight now, this truck bed cargo net keeps all gear secure. Premium elastic material stretches to hold tools, groceries, or outdoor equipment, while reinforced hooks maintain stability. Lightweight, durable, and easy to install, it prevents shifting cargo, keeping the bed organized. Practical, clever, and essential, it enhances your truck's storage efficiency. A simple, reliable solution, it ensures all items stay in place while driving, giving peace of mind and convenience for work or recreational use. Finally, wrapping things up with this Undercover SwingCase truck bed storage box, it maximizes bed storage while protecting gear from weather and theft. Durable construction ensures reliability, while swing-out design allows access without climbing into the bed. Compact yet functional, it's perfect for organizing tools or equipment. Reliable, practical, and secure, this storage box enhances efficiency and keeps your cargo safe. Whether for work or adventure, it's a smart solution for truck owners who need protected, accessible, and organized storage in every situation. And that's a wrap on the 20+ must-have truck accessories to take your ride to the next level. From smarter hauling and towing solutions to off-road readiness and sleek style upgrades, these picks make every trip safer, easier, and more capable. If something caught your eye, all the product links are waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit like, share this video with fellow truck owners, and subscribe for more Amazon truck accessory finds. See you on the next adventure!